Hello, my name is Liesel, and today I'm going to present code that explains the programming concept of using methods and parameters in the Turtle API. The purpose of this code is to create a world for our turtles and then control the turtles' movements so that they write my name or your name how we specify them to. As the book says, a class can be thought of as a cookie cutter, where the cookie cutter or class can create many new cookies or objects in that same shape. So we're first going to create a new object in the class world. This is done by using new class followed by the parameter list, seen here, which is a list of items used to initialize the new object in the class. But in order to be able to refer to the world object in memory, we need to declare a variable that refers to it. This is called the type or name of the class we're creating. So here we're going to create a variable with the name W that will be of the type world, which refers to an object in the new class world, and it's set to the parameters to be 800 pixels wide by 600 pixels tall. Next, we're going to create a turtle object of the turtle class by declaring a variable so that we can refer to the turtle object again here. Here, I've created a name to the objects Lee1 through 5, and specified the parameters to place the new objects at certain pixel coordinates in our world, W, so that the turtle objects and ultimately the letters are spaced out evenly. I've made 5 turtles because there are 5 letters in my name, so 1 for each letter. Next, I have created color objects, seen here, of the color class by declaring a variable C1 through 5 so that we can refer to the specific colors again. I have set the parameters as integers between 0 and 255 according to the red, blue, green, or RBG scale. In this case, they are shades of purple, moving from dark purple to light purple. Now I want to set my 5 turtles and letters, or I guess ultimately letters, to be the different colors I have specified. To do this, I'm going to send messages to the objects to ask them to do things using the syntax object reference, message, parameter list. As the book specifies, the object reference is a message to the object. The message is what we want the object to do, and the parameter list is any additional information that more fully describes what we want the object to do. So here, I'm going to tell each turtle, which is object Lee1 through 5, to set their colors, method set color, to the variables C1 through 5 that I declared above, right here. Next, I'm going to use the method set pen width to change the width of the line that the turtles create. I'm going to again do that by specifying each turtle object, Lee1 through 5, followed by invoking the setPenWidth method, and then setting the parameters integers 5 through 10 for the widths. Finally, to have the turtles draw the separate 5 letters, I'm going to call on each turtle object to either turn a certain angle, as seen here, as specified using an integer in the parameter list, where these parentheses are, such as this, and then the positive or negative angle specifying directionality, so negative being to the left and positive being to the right. I'm also going to have them move forward using the method forward, as seen below, like here, and specifying using their parameter list as integers between 50 and 200. So here 200, here 100, here 50, depending on the number of pixels I want them to move forward. Once I have completed all of these steps, as seen here, Lee1 through 5, I'm going to compile the code by clicking Compile, and I'm going to make sure that there are no syntax errors, as it says here. Then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click right-click, void main string. I'm going to click OK. And then it's going to give me my world, which is set 600 or 800 wide by 600 tall, And then I'm going to have each letter, again, dark purple to light purple, changing in width from 10 to 5, 10, 5, 10, with my turtles all here at the bottom. That's it.